In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to enter codes on Honkai Star Rail. In order to do so, follow the steps. Open up your Honkai Star Rail game and make sure that you're logged into your HoYoverse account. Start the game like you normally do, and after the game starts, tap on the mobile icon at the top left hand corner. Now, in the pop-up, tap the three dots right next to the character's name and then click on Redemption Code. Enter the redemption code in the text box that is available to you. After entering the redemption code, click on Confirm and you have successfully entered and claimed your code on Honkai Star Rail. That is how you can easily enter codes on Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye till then.